Hello, can you hear me?
Hel- Yeah. Yes, I can absolutely hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hi. Good afternoon. I'm Anushka. I'll be your speaker for today. How are you?
Yeah. Good afternoon. I am well. What about you?
Well, I'm great. Thank you so much for asking. How has your day been so far? How's the day going?
It was Sunday, so that's why I could go. I am free today
Hmm.
because of today's weekly off, so then we can enjoy also.
Great.
So you are doing any other work?
Mm, as in, like,
As that you are working on Club and Go, and you
hmm.
have any other work?
No, I'm currently working with Club and Go only.
Okay, so you are taking like full-time job on Club and Go.
Mm, Yeah, we can say that.
Okay, so would you like to introduce yourself before?
Yes, I am Anushka. I have completed my BTech in biotechnology in this year itself, and I'm
Okay,
from the state. Yeah, I hail from the state of Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I want to give my interview. This is Virpal from Uttar Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I have completed my 12th in 2016 and I am pursuing BA second year from Bundelkhand University, Jhansi.
That's interesting.
Yes.
So, what inspired you to take up BA?
Sorry?
You are studying BA, right?
Yeah, BA second year, Bachelor of
Yeah.
Art.
So, what inspired or motivated you to take up BA?
Actually, I'm an employee. I am working in private company. That's why I take admission in BA because of my job. Actually, I can do job and study both of. So that's why I take admission in BA.
Hmm. That's
If I
wonderful.
yeah, if I
Yeah.
take any engineering type of, I want to I wanted to take any engineering degree, but if I take admission any engineering, then I can't do my job.
Hmm.
So because of my job, that's why I take in BA.
Okay. Yes, BA is quite convenient when like you have to work and manage studies as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I can manage.
Yeah, that's a good thing. It's great that you can manage.
I try to little bit learning from online, and
Hmm.
it's my passion, and I am learning English also because I like it. I am working in private sector. That's why it is very important thing. If we have this skill, then we can communicate with some other person.
Hmm.
It is important thing. It doesn't matter we are working in government sector and private sector, but we should these skills in our hand. Then it will be very good for us.
Absolutely, no doubt. Like these are one of the most important and very very basic skills actually nowadays. Be it India or be it any other country, we
Yes.
have to. Yeah, it's quite compulsory and mandatory in a way that we have to be better at it. Well, we even have a wonderful topic to have a discussion around, and that topic is bucket list. Do you want
Yes.
to stick with the topic or talk about something else?
Yeah, we can talk little bit. Actually, I didn't go by topic today. Actually, I was in traveling, so that's why I didn't prepare today. But we
It's
can discuss
absolutely all
little bit.
right. Yeah, it's absolutely all right. There is nothing to be prepared of or prepared for actually. It's absolutely normal. We are
Like
just
then we will
trying to.
discuss about casual conversation.
Yeah, so like, do you want to go with the topic or you don't want to go with the topic at all?
As you wish.
Okay, so we can start with the topic and see where the conversation would go.
Sure, sure.
Okay, so like, what do you understand by the word bucket list?
Bucket
Bucket list.
bucket less. If we go in any mall for shopping, then we have bucket for carrying any materials and we can use. And we are talking about bucket less. Am I right?
Bucket list. LIST.
Bucket list.
Mhm. It's absolutely okay if you're not familiar with this word. I am here to help you.
Yeah, okay. Please tell me.
Yeah. Now, bucket list is basically, if we say, it's a list of things that you wanted to do in your life at least once. Like, for example, going on a world tour, or going to a particular place, or learning a new skill, learning a particular sport. Like these are the things that you can include in your bucket list. Like it clearly indicates that you have a bucket which is kind of filled with a lot of things that you want to do in your life at least once.
Okay,
Those
but
things are called
when
a
we
bucket.
discussed about in past, we wanted
No,
to do this, but we are unable to.
some things that we want to do in the future. Of course, in the
Okay,
past
okay,
we could
okay,
not do
okay.
it,
I got it.
and that is why we want to do it in the future.
Okay, I can understand now.
So, do you have a bucket list? Are there some things that you want to do in the future?
Yes, I have lots of, but I don't want to share with someone. I want to hide everything.
Well, I completely understand that, and I would not force you if you don't want to share. But
No,
like
no,
this video
I
would not be
can,
posted
I
anywhere,
can
so
share
you
with
can.
you, but I can share with you, but this video I will upload on social media. That's why I don't want to share with someone. That's why I can tell you, no problem.
Okay, so do you think that everyone should have a bucket list? Like everyone should have certain things that they want to do, and or the things they should look up to in life?
But yeah, I understand. We can say only our talk, not someone's. I can realize only my thing. I can't realize
Yeah.
your what you want to. You want to bucket list or not. We can't say. And about someone.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
I can tell you about me. But yeah,
Mhm.
every person has lots of like dream, then they will definitely achieve. But we can't say with surely.
Yeah, that is true. It's great that you're quite considerate. You're quite concerned about what other people would think about it. Definitely, that's quite thoughtful of you
Yes.
to not speak on other people's behalf. Great.
I think according to me, we should focus in our future, not others. Am I right?
Absolutely.
This is
Absolutely,
my
you are.
opinion.
Yeah. And
I
that's a
do
wonderful
business
thought.
always. I don't. I doesn't see with someone who is working or not.
I
He,
don't. We would not use the word doesn't. We would use don't. I don't see.
yeah, I don't.
Hmm. Yeah. It's a good thing. Like, unfortunately, not many people have this kind of attitude. They kind of want to see what other people are doing, and they kind of compare themselves. That's
Yeah,
quite,
it's
what do you
happened so many
say,
times with.
unnecessary. Mhm.
It's happened so many times with me. Every person, so many people jealous with me, and they were cheat cheating with me, cheat with me. But
Mhm.
I know how to handle these situations, and uh, I am I was able to handle. Then I handled, and now I am here.
Mhm. Yeah. We all have like a share of difficult things and difficult situations, and they teach us a lot, isn't it? Can you hear me?
Sorry.
Yeah, like difficult situations, they teach us a lot of things, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely, definitely. If we like we cross any trouble, then definitely we can learn our failure. If we fail,
Learn from our failure.
learn from our failure. Yeah, definitely. If we will fail one time, then definitely we should try again.
Mhm. And
Yeah.
that is how we learn, isn't it? Like keep on trying it.
Yes, and uh, we have to come to know then how we make the mistake before, then we should work on our mistake and we should do our best on that work, then definitely we can achieve.
Mhm. Absolutely. There is nothing that we cannot achieve. What do you think?
Everything is possible
Mhm.
according to me. I don't care. So uh, every person thinks I don't care, but according to me, everything is possible. It's our hand. If we have ability to doing that work, then definitely I can do it.
Ability to do, yeah,
I
ability to do that work.
before 6 months ago, I don't know any of word in English.
Mhm.
Okay,
Oh.
but I have faced lots of problems in my office because of English. Okay, then I decided to learning. I learned, and after that I will fight with him. Whenever I will be good speaker, then definitely I can fight with her in English to English. Then I decided that day, and I try, but now I can speak little bit. You can judge.
Mhm. Well, in 6 months, you've made amazing progress for sure.
Actually, I have lots of work in like duty and also little bit learning.
Mhm.
So that's why if I don't have any work, then I can improve myself as soon as possible.
Yeah, that is true. When we are completely dedicated towards learning one particular skill and when we practice it for a long time, it's easier for us to learn. And plus, like as you mentioned, that you're learning English for a motive. And that
Yeah.
actually does help. Now, this is something I've observed that when we have a goal in front of us or when we have a motive, let's say in a very simple way that someone sometime in the past confronted us or said something to us which we did not like. So we are like, okay, I would improve this skill and I will show this person that I'm better. Even though we
Yeah.
don't have to show it to anybody else, it's just for our betterment. But even if we have that kind of force behind us, it actually speeds up the learning process. What do you think?
Yes, if somebody is saying like this, then we have to give answer that person before we have to do complete that work, and after that, the person automatically realize yes, he can do it. He can do it. We don't need to say that person again. He can realize automatically. Am I right?
Yes, absolutely. And
Yes.
after we learn that skill, we don't even have to go to that person to show off. That person would recognize it and would stay a step back and would think a lot of times before criticizing somebody else, if not you.
Yes. Yes.
And I think in any way, we should not criticize others for for the things that they cannot do. I think we should just motivate them so that they can learn. But criticizing them is not a good thing to do. What do you think?
I can get your point.
Yeah. Like we should not go and criticize other people for what they cannot do or what they lack. We should try to help them or motivate them, but we should not criticize them or say that, oh, you cannot
Definitely.
do this or you cannot do that.
Definitely, but every person don't want to do this work. You
Mhm.
know it very well. Okay, you have lots of experience and you have seen lots of activity in this world. Okay,
Mhm.
but this work will not do any person. If
Yeah,
if we have some person like this type of, they will help some helpless person, and like they can't criticize with someone. It will be good
Mhm.
for us and in our Indian nation.
Mhm.
But nobody like this person in here.
Exactly. Sadly, not everyone is like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That actually does bring us to the conclusion of a wonderful conversation. I had a great time talking to you, and I hope I was of some help. So, do you want me to give you some feedback so that that can help you with your spoken English?
Definitely, I will book your slot again.
Yeah.
This is our first session. I am very glad to talk with
Yeah.
you. You are
Thank you.
talking very friendly and with a smiley.
Okay. Thank you so much.